Melons. I grew some melons last year in the greenhouse. Can't remember what sort they were. They weren't very nice. Bit of research, I found these, and I don't even know what these are because I've lost the packet. So we'll have a look, see what they're like. Well, they certainly look good, and they're definitely ripe. You can tell that by the colour of the pips. So I should be saving some of those and grow some more. So, bit of a result. So, the all-important taste test. They smell absolutely divine. Absolutely beautiful aroma. Oh, and they're to die for. They really are nice. I'll find out what they are and put it down in the description so you can grow some yourself next year. Well worth doing it. Lovely. Keep on gardening. I'm going to.